is Mamta from Cadd RAJAJINAGAR. Today we are going to learn how to create a glass by using the Google Sketchup software. So that I'm opening the Google Sketchup software. Draw the rectangular in a vertical plane for the references purpose. And draw the path of the glass by using the arc and line tools. After that, give some offset distance. After that, draw a circle in a horizontal plane. And select the follow me tool, select the face and then select the path. After go to material application, then apply the material by using the paint bucket. This is the simple wine glass. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.